This is a quick look at the Huawei Freebuds 2 Pro, the leading contender to the Apple AirPods. Look at this contrast. It looks completely different from the outside photo. The case feels kinda nice. There's a Bluetooth pairing button and a USB-C charging port. There's a tiny LED indicator at the center and 4 LEDs for the battery level. And it's got a nice Huawei logo on it. The earbuds are really jammed in there. It looks like I have to poke it out through the back. It's got a nice weight to it. And of course the 2 main microphones on the bottom with the magnetic charging ports. There's 2 small sensors that detect when you pull the earbuds out of your ear. These 2 smaller holes are the secondary microphones for noise cancellation. These 2 stems, when looking head-on, look pretty thick. They look thinner on the sides. Let's see how they fit in the case. Inside here is the USB-C charging cable. They should be attached with magnets so they don't fall out. Very nice. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and click subscribe. And I'll see you next time at Commutech.